Ever wondered how network traffic analysis works? Think of mirrors, periscopes, and satellite dishes. Intrigued? Stick around to find out more. In the vast digital world, network traffic analysis is the compass that guides us. It's the science of intercepting, reading, and making sense of the data passing through our networks. Whether we're talking about a small business network or a massive international data center, network traffic analysis is the key to keeping things running smoothly. Just like a bustling city relies on traffic signals and road signs to keep cars flowing efficiently, the digital world depends on protocols like SPAN, RSPAN, and ERSPAN. These protocols are the unsung heroes of our networks, quietly ensuring that data packets find their way to their intended destinations. But how do these protocols work? Well, that's where our everyday analogies come in. To make these complex protocols more digestible, we're going to use some day-to-day analogies. Ready to dive in? First up, we have the SPAN protocol. Imagine a mirror. What does it do? It reflects an image, right? That's exactly what SPAN does with network traffic. Now let's delve a little deeper. The SPAN protocol, or switched port analyzer, is a method of monitoring network traffic. Just as a mirror reflects an image, SPAN copies or reflects traffic from one port and sends it to another. This destination port is typically connected to a network analyzer or similar device for data analysis. This mirroring process is a passive one, meaning it doesn't interfere with the normal functioning of the network. The traffic continues to flow from the source port as normal, but a copy is made and sent to the destination port. So, just like a mirror doesn't disrupt what it's reflecting, SPAN doesn't disrupt the network traffic it's mirroring. So, in essence, you can think of SPAN as a mirror, reflecting network traffic from one port to another. Simple, isn't it? Scene script. Next, we have the RSPAN protocol. This one's a bit like a periscope. Ever used one to see over a surface? That's what RSPAN does, but with network traffic. Let's dive in. The RSPAN protocol, or remote switched port analyzer, works a bit like a periscope. Picture this. You're on a submarine, and you use a periscope to see above the water's surface. You're in one place, yet you can view what's happening elsewhere. That's pretty much RSPAN in a nutshell. RSPAN, in essence, allows for the monitoring of network traffic from one device to another within the network. It takes the traffic from the source device, encapsulates it in a special format, and sends it across the network to the destination device. This allows network administrators to monitor traffic remotely without needing to be physically present at the source device. But how does this encapsulation process work? Well, the traffic is wrapped in a unique RSPAN VLAN, which is a virtual local area network dedicated solely to RSPAN traffic. This VLAN allows the traffic to travel across multiple switches, making it possible to monitor traffic from one end of the network to the other. Once the encapsulated traffic reaches its destination, it can be unpacked and analyzed. This gives network engineers a clear, detailed view of the network's traffic, no matter where they are. So imagine RSPAN as your network's periscope, giving you a clear view of the traffic from one device to another. Last but not least, we have the ERSPAN protocol. Think of a satellite dish receiving signals from afar. That's ERSPAN for you. When you consider a satellite dish, it's all about receiving signals from great distances, right? It's the same with the ERSPAN protocol. It's designed to copy traffic from one device to another over an extended distance. Just like that dish on your roof pulling in signals from space, ERSPAN can capture traffic from far-flung corners of your network. But how does it do it? Well, it's all about encapsulation. The traffic is encapsulated in a special format, almost like packing up a parcel for a long journey. This packaged traffic is then sent over an IP network, reaching out to the destination device, wherever it may be. Now, once this packaged traffic arrives at its destination, it's time for it to be unpacked. This is where the real magic happens. The encapsulated traffic is unpacked and can then be viewed or analyzed, much like how a satellite dish converts signals into a form that your television can interpret and display. So, ERSPAN is like your network satellite dish, capturing and transmitting data over long distances. That's it. We've unraveled the complexities of network traffic analysis using some simple analogies. Now you're ready to dive deeper into the world of network engineering.